Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, nandito kami sa farmhouse ng amo ko guys. Anong meron dito? Anong meron dito guys? Ito lang naman. This guys, makapaglaro na yung mga alaga ko nito. Oh, swing. Swing. At saka slide guys. Okay. And then, meron kami mga puppies dito, guys. Yung puppies namin, oh. Why? Wah! Ah. How many of them, 2, 4, 6. 6, guys. 6.
All the block?
6 puppies in all black.
Not all block.
What's that the color? It's all black. Ayan, guys, no? Tingnan nyo.
Grace, they like you.
Binibinta din nila to, guys. Tapos guys, may nag-iisa kaming shape. Yung carnero guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nag-iisa siya dito. Meron naman yung mga kasama niya, marami doon. Ayan guys, may jumping din sila guys. Jumping, jumping. Ha? Halika dito. Come.
See. Best skin.
Jumping guys, at saka may swimming pool sila guys. Ayan ang swimming pool guys. Okay. Yan yung swimming pool nila guys. Ako, ang life jacket ng alaga ko. Ito yung swimming pool nila guys. Guys, tingnan mo. Parang ano no, ang green ng grass. Pero hindi to totoo guys. Isa lang siyang ganito lang siya guys. Ganito lang siya guys. Ganito lang. Hindi siya totoong grass. Yan lang siya guys. Di totoo. O diba? Nilagay lang siya guys. Kaya akala mo akala ko naglalakad na ako sa green grass. Hindi naman pala. Guys, lahat mga buntis. Oy. Your tummy is big like something inside. Lahat sila buntis. Ha? Yeah. Okay. Yan lang yung vlog natin today guys. Yan lang. Yan. Thank you for watching.